NASA is not telling you everything about Artemis II. Here is the truth, the secret of Artemis II. What is Artemis II? Artemis II is the first crewed mission of NASA's Artemis program, designed to send astronauts around the moon and safely bring them back. It is a major step towards landing humans on the moon again after the Apollo era. Agency NASA. Spacecraft Orion spacecraft. Rocket space launch system. Mission type Lunar flyby, no landing. Goal. Test system will astronauts before landing. Mission is the mission searching for testing. Artemis II is not searching for something like rover mission. It is testing and validating critical system for deep space human travel. Human survival beyond Earth orbit. First time human traveled this far since Apollo 17, testing life support system in deep space. Spacecraft performance. Testing Orion's navigation, evaluating how the spacecraft behave in high radiation environments. Heat shield re-entry. Orion will re-enter Earth's atmosphere at 40,000 km per hour, testing heat shield under extreme conditions. Navigation around the moon. Practicing trajectory, lunar flyby and return path, critical for future moon landing. Crew operations. Astronauts will manually control systems. Testing key lesson from Artemis II. This mission is like a final exam before human land on the moon again. Deep space readiness. Can humans safely travel far beyond Earth for days? Help prepare for longer mission like Mars. Technology validations. Confirm whether Orion and SLS are reliable. Identify any design flaws before landing missions. Safely improvement. Detect risk in life support, radiations and re-entry. Improve astronaut safety systems. Include a Canadian astronaut, Jeremy Hansen. Show global teamwork in space explorations. Foundation for future mission. Directly prepare for Artemis III moon landing. Why Artemis II is important? First human mission to the moon is over 50 years. Bridge gap between past Apollo and future exploration. Helps humanity move to. Here are the hidden facts, lesser known details, and real secret behind Artemis II that most people don't. It is not a moon landing mission. Many think Artemis II will land on the moon. Truth is that it is a test flight around the moon. The spacecraft will fly around the far side and return, no landing. It is planned for Artemis III. Purpose: test everything before risking a landing. The mission is like a final exam before humanity return to the moon. A historic and symbolic crew. The crew includes Mr. Ray Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, Jeremy Hansen. Hidden significance. First woman to go beyond low Earth orbit. NASA is sending a message of global unity on a lunar mission. First known, the real mission, testing survival in deep. Artemis II is actually a high-risk life support systems, radiation protections, navigation in deep space, human psychology in isolation. Why humans haven't gone this far since 1972 Apollo era? NASA is checking, can humans survive long mission? The free return trajectory. One of the spacecraft follows a free return path. That means if engine fail, the spacecraft will naturally loop around the moon. This is built-in safety escape system used in Apollo. Daily wake-up calls from Earth. A beautiful hidden.
Good morning from Earth, Station Freedom. It's beautiful down here. We hope you enjoy the music.
Astronauts receive music and personal message daily, even message from Apollo legends. Secret, this is done to maintain mental health and moral in record-breaking distance from Earth. Artemis II astronauts will travel further than any human in history, breaking Apollo 30's records. This push human limit to real problem in space, not perfect. Even this advanced mission had issues. Minor technical glitches, tight living space stress, emotional moments, astronauts even cried. The bigger hidden goal, space. Artemis II is not just about the moon. It is about building an experiment, human presence on the moon, preparing for Mars missions, creating a space economy. Final secret, the moon is just a stepping stone.
Finally,
Mars is the
it will splash down safely in the Pacific Ocean.